Tonight, Pickens County is leading the state in positive COVID-19 cases per capita, and emergency management says the impact in the county is at its worst since the pandemic started. 7 News' Asia Wilson has the county's urgent message to you at home.
It's time to band together. It's time to work together. That's what Pickens County Emergency Services is saying tonight. Leaders tell me they've seen an explosion of COVID-19 emergency calls and positive cases within the last 2 weeks.
Our resources are being taxed all the way from our EMS folks all the way up to the hospitals, the nurses, and the doctors.
An explosion of COVID-19 cases is shaking up Pickens County.
As of yesterday, in that 2-week period, which we consider the active period, we're closing in on 1,600 cases and closing in on 10,000 from when the pandemic actually started.
Pickens County is now leading the state in positive cases per capita. Billy GIBSON, the director of Pickens County Emergency Services, says they've also seen record-breaking numbers in COVID-19 calls in its Emergency Medical Services Division.
To give you an example, when we first started logging this, near the beginning, we were averaging anywhere from 10 to 12 calls a week. Last week, we ran 56.
All of this is taking a toll on hospitals that are overrun and facing shortages. EMS crews are seeing the impacts as well, even for other critically ill patients.
EMS crews are pulling up to the hospital with patients, and there's just nowhere to put them. So our crews are having to actually help take care of those patients in the back of the ambulance until the hospital can clear a bed.
Had a couple incidents, one in the county, one out of the county, where we transported to an out-of-county hospital where the EMS unit was delayed for more than 3 hours before they could get a bed.
First responders and healthcare workers say they're doing everything they can to treat everyone and keep you safe, but they're pleading for you to do your part too.
We know that there are things that can be done: wearing masks, maintaining social distancing, just normal everyday hygiene such as washing your hands. We know that we can band together and do that, and now's the time to do it.
In Pickens County, Asia Wilson, 7 News.
Now, Pickens County Emergency Services says as of yesterday, there have been 140 deaths from COVID-19 in the county. We have more DHEC stats posted on WSPA.com.